Something massive is underway, and most people haven't grasped its full potential yet. A $100 billion infrastructure plan is rolling out across the United States, and it's not just about better roads or faster internet. It's about a real estate boom waiting to happen. This plan will trigger a domino effect, pushing property values through the roof, transforming overlooked regions into booming real estate markets. If you've ever wondered when the next big investment wave will hit, this is it. But before we break down the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the updates that could change your financial future. Affordable housing, a surge in supply and demand. At the heart of this plan is a game-changing push for affordable housing, with tens of billions earmarked specifically for constructing and renovating homes. Cities will see an increase in supply. More homes mean more opportunity for buyers, but it also means competition. Developers are scrambling to secure land and permits in high-priority areas. As homes go up, surrounding properties inevitably appreciate. Even if you're not investing directly in affordable housing, owning land or property near these zones could pay off big. And let's not forget the demand side. With new homes comes new population inflow. Workers, families, and service providers will flock to these revitalized zones, all needing somewhere to live, shop, and work. It's a simple equation. Build homes, attract people, drive demand, boost prices. Transportation, the value of connectivity. Nothing inflates property value like new transit lines. Highways, rail systems, and upgraded public transport are a major component of the infrastructure plan. Cities and suburbs slated for improved connectivity are already seeing spikes in interest. Imagine a sleepy suburb suddenly being connected to a downtown business hub via a 20-minute train ride. Property prices skyrocket almost overnight. Real estate history has proven this repeatedly. Broadband access, the digital land boom. We're no longer living in a world where roads alone define development. Today, digital highways are just as critical. The infrastructure plan allocates major funds to expanding broadband access, especially in rural and underserved areas. This is a green light for remote workers, entrepreneurs, and tech startups to relocate and revitalize small-town economies. When a town gets high-speed internet, it becomes livable in a whole new way. Businesses can thrive. Schools improve. Medical facilities operate with cutting-edge technology. All of this attracts new residents and boosts local real estate demand. Investors who once ignored rural areas are now watching them like hawks. Jobs, migration, and economic ripple effects. What happens when you inject $100 billion into infrastructure? You create jobs, millions of them. These aren't just construction jobs, but also administrative, logistics, retail, and service positions that come along with a booming area. That kind of job growth causes people to move. Workers follow opportunity. Where jobs go, housing demand follows. This is why watching job creation hot zones is a smart real estate strategy. Property prices follow people, and people follow paychecks. By the time a job hub is on the evening news, it's too late. Those who bought earlier will be enjoying the biggest returns. Environmental upgrades mean higher desirability. Today's buyers are more environmentally conscious than ever. The infrastructure bill supports eco-friendly upgrades, solar grids, efficient water systems, sustainable public spaces. These green improvements make neighborhoods more attractive and modern. In turn, they push property values up. Clean air, walkable streets, renewable energy sources. These aren't just nice to have, they're marketable features. Homes in sustainable neighborhoods sell faster and at higher prices. Real estate near upgraded eco-infrastructure is quickly becoming the new luxury. The tech angle. Smart cities are becoming a reality. A portion of the infrastructure budget is also going toward modernizing cities into smart cities. Urban areas powered by real-time data, automated systems, and interconnected networks. Think smart traffic lights, advanced waste management, and AI-assisted public safety. These technologies enhance efficiency, safety, and livability. As cities become smarter, they also become more attractive to millennials and tech-savvy professionals who are driving current market demand. Real estate in these futuristic zones will experience a surge as demand from high-income earners rises. What this means for real estate investors. Let's not mince words. This infrastructure plan is a gold rush for the informed investor. But success means acting early. Waiting until the media hypes a location is waiting too long. Investors need to identify towns with scheduled federal funding, regions being rezoned for transit, and communities receiving environmental upgrades. This isn't just about flipping houses. It's about building generational wealth. Buy and hold strategies in newly connected or revitalized areas could outperform traditional investments like stocks or bonds. Multifamily units near new bus routes, commercial properties in broadband-upgraded rural towns, and raw land along future highways. All are ripe opportunities. The timeline. How fast will prices rise? Property price growth won't be instant. Infrastructure projects take months or even years to complete. But the market doesn't wait for completion. It responds to anticipation. As soon as projects are approved and funded, speculative buying begins. Prices typically rise in 3 stages: announcement, groundbreaking, and completion. Getting in at announcement is key. That said, investors with longer time horizons can expect the biggest payoffs. Property values in infrastructure-improved areas often appreciate steadily over a decade or more. This is not just a short-term trend, it's a structural shift. Where to look? Top regions to watch. While exact project lists vary, early analysis suggests several U.S. regions are poised to benefit greatly. The Midwest is seeing billions funneled into road and broadband improvements. The South, with its rapid population growth, is slated for major transit and housing expansions. Even parts of the Northeast, often overlooked due to maturity, are being reborn through tech and environmental grants. Don't overlook smaller cities and fringe suburbs either. These next-tier markets are where returns will likely be highest, due to lower current property values and higher development potential. Think cities with under 500,000 people getting $100 million upgrades. They're about to explode. Conclusion: don't just watch the boom, join it. This $100 billion infrastructure plan isn't just a government program. It's a massive wealth-building opportunity. Roads, housing, broadband, green spaces, all are laying the foundation for a new era of real estate prosperity. Those who recognize the trend early, who take action while others wait, will be the ones who win. Whether you're a seasoned investor, first-time buyer, or just curious about how big money shapes real estate, now is the time to get educated and engaged. So hit that subscribe button now, because this is just the beginning of a once-in-a-generation opportunity to build real wealth through smart real estate decisions.